Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a challenge reminder for my current Anything Goes challenge. This challenge is running from July 1st through August 31st, and the theme is Anything Goes. Tag me at DoubleClick Connect and use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect challenge. And the prize for this Anything Goes challenge is a baggie of my dewdrops. For this challenge, I made this super cute birthday card. Here are the pink flamingo dewdrops that I used, and you can see they have a little bit of sparkle to them. This ice cream cone shaker was gifted to me from Deanna over at Blonde Amazon. I believe it was in our summer vibe swap last year. I will link her channel down below. These are all Project Life cards that I had sitting on my desk. Someone gifted me this bow. I added a little flower here and a little tab there. I think it came out so super cute. This is this month's release, which is currently available in my Etsy shop, or you can direct message me for purchase. We have the pink flamingo, the lemon yellow, lime green, and ocean blue. I hope you guys will consider entering my Anything Goes challenge this month. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.